Hello friends, welcome another episode of our cooking. Today we are going to make everyone's favorite, including my favorite, guttu vankai kura, stuffed eggplant. Okay, so to make stuffed eggplant or guttu vankai, I took 5 vankailu brinjals. Okay, the other ingredients are fresh coconut, fresh coriander seeds, sesame seeds, star anise, anas puvu, cinnamon sticks, dalton chakka, cloves, lavangam, 1 ilachi, kothamira, fresh cilantro, mint, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, and poppy seeds, gasagasalu, and peanuts, pallilu. Okay. Alright friends, to make this curry, the first step is to dry roast peanuts, coconut, coriander seeds, sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. Alright friends, let's dry roast the ingredients. I took an aluminium bowl. Okay, put it on low temperature, low flame. Okay, start adding the ingredients: sesame seeds, poppy seeds, coriander seeds, peanuts, fresh coconut, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to roast all the ingredients. Just make sure we have perfect color. Okay, the roasted ingredients are ready to go. This is the desired color what I was talking about. Okay, let the ingredients be transferred to a steel or container or bowl. Okay, the dry roasted ingredients are ready to blend. Before adding it to the blender, now we can add the spices. Okay, ilachi, lavangam, okay, cinnamon stick, star anise, garlic, ginger, cilantro, mint. Alright friends, let's transfer the ingredients to the blender. Alright friends, the paste is ready, nice and fine. Okay, to this add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. After adding them, just mix it nicely. Okay friends, now we have to make the eggplant vankai into 4 quarters. Okay, like this. like this. Okay. Well, once the brinjal is done, of course, any Indian curry always starts with onion, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, curry leaves. Okay, I didn't mention it in the introduction of the video. Okay, so I'm going to chop half onion. Okay, that should be enough for the dish. Okay, let's start the real cooking now. Okay, add oil in the bowl or a cooking vessel. Okay, now add chopped onions. I took half onion, that should be fine for this dish. Okay. Okay. Cook the onions, saute the onions. Okay. Nice golden color. I would say a little bit caramelized onions. Okay. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. Let me add salt so it cooks faster. Okay. Okay. While the onions are cooking, we can start stuffing the brinjal with the fine paste. Okay. Like this. Okay. All right. Here you go, friends. The stuffing is done successfully. Okay. This is the leftover paste. We're going to use it later. Okay, while cooking the brinjal. Okay. All right, friends. Right timing. The onions are ready. You can see that. Now we are going to add the brinjal one by one. Once we added the stuffed eggplant in the cooking vessel with the onions, okay, just cover it with the lid and cook it on medium temperature. Okay. Okay, friends, it's time to check. All right, try to flip the brinjal. Okay, that's the reason we didn't cut the head of the brinjal. Okay, it's easy to flip. All right, let's check it again. Looks good. While cooking the brinjal or frying the brinjal, just make sure the onions are not getting burned underneath. Okay, so mix it gently. Okay, now it's time to add the leftover fine paste. Okay, add it. Add 1 cup of water. Once we added the fine masala paste, okay, mix it nicely, gently. These are big brinjal, so it's fine. Okay, you can be a little bit hard on them, but usually the one we get in India are too small, so just be careful with that. Okay, so it will take another 8 minutes. Let me cover it with the lid. and cook it on low temperature. Okay, and keep on checking in between. Wow, looks amazing. There you go. The brinjal is nice and soft, and we can reduce the sauce, and we can see the oil also floating. That means it's almost ready. Now if you want, for your taste, you can add a little bit of chili powder or garam masala and salt and pepper. And finally finish it with chopped cilantro, and the dish will be ready. I will add a little bit of red chili powder because I am very much into spicy food. Okay. After adding red chili powder, guys, just try to slowly flip it. Okay, you see the nice sauce. It's perfect consistency. Okay, finish it with chopped cilantro. The stuffed eggplant guttu vankai kura ready, nice and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.